Do you want instant glass skin? This simple kitchen face mask tighten your wrinkles, fading your dark spot and control your acne. It will brighten your skin in just a minute. Today I am showing you guys exactly how I made this mask with rice, cloves, cornstarch, aloe vera oil, milk and vitamin E oil. These ingredients that repairing your skin, brightening and boosting your collagen and also giving you that smoothest, youngest, glassing, glowing skin you are looking for. So now I have rice and clove here. I saw it that was last week. We make a hair mask so with free. So that video also is coming soon. I'll post that video before this one, so you have to come back and watch it. So I soak it for 3 days. So after 3 days I blended all my ingredients and I removed the chaff and use it as a hair mask for I and my daughter. And also today that I soak it, the remaining one I have to use it to make my face mask. So now you see the starch of the rice and the cloves, because I was soak the clove with the rice in the water. So what you have to do, you have to soak your rice and your cloves. When you soak it together, you blended it. When you blend it, you have to strain it, get some small tiny hole and strain it. So after straining it, this is the cornstarch and what's the name, rice starch and the cloves that I strained. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add cornstarch into this ingredient and put it into fire. So you need to stay tuned so that we talk, because I'm also going to explain, give you guys a little bit of the benefit of this ingredient. So I added 1 tablespoon inside, that is my cornstarch. Also I add into my other 2 ingredients, that is rice and the cloves. Okay, I add 1 tablespoon of the cornstarch. So now let's go. This face mask is very powerful. It's powerhouse face mask, because this face mask is going to tight your skin, fair your dark spots and also your fine lines also and acne. Okay, so and also it's going to reduce your, if you have dull skin and you are using it, you are going to benefit the youngest, brighten skin. And also rice and cloves plus the cornstarch and these things are so amazing. This is amazing, effective, natural face mask, glassing, smoothing, glowing skin. So you don't need to miss this thing. You have to watch it to the end. So while I'm stating this is my rice and the cornstarch, please, while you put it on fire, you have to make it a low heat, because if you don't make it the low heat, you will see your thing, it will start to make some boils like boils. You will not get that smoothed texture. So you have to make the fire very low, that so that it will not spoil your face mask. Okay, so now let's check and see the benefit of rice. Rice is brightening the complexion and also fading your dark spots. And also rice is tightening your skin naturally and reducing uh, oils, excess oil from your face. So because sometimes some people, if your face is having too much oil, that one also can cause you getting pimples all over your face. So rice is also helping you to reduce those excess oil from your face and also smoothing your face and giving your face or your skin the glassing skin that you are looking. Is very effective. Rice is very powerful. It's having so many benefits if you do your research about it. So after everything I bring it, I'll add 1 tablespoon of milk, and now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon inside. So all way to the end. Okay, you guys need to see this. So now when you check about cloves also is very powerful when it's going to come. Cloves is very powerful for every place, whether you are using clothes for your hair or you are using it for your spiritual things. Cloves is very powerful. It's very, very powerful. So cloves also is fighting for acne, okay, and also brightening your skin and reducing inflammation and promoting collagen for your skin or for your face, also improving circulation, blood circulation for your glowing skin, and moisturizing your skin and giving you glowing glassy skin that you are looking for. If you are adding clove, if you are not adding cloves to your routine, start adding it now because it's very benefit. So now after that, I added a 1 tablespoon of aloe vera oil, and I'm adding my vitamin E oil into it. Okay, mind you guys, I added 1 tablespoon of lemon also inside, so you have to know that one also if you want to make the same glassing skin, so you need to do it that way. So let's check and see the benefit of cornstarch. Cornstarch is instant tightening the skin and a natural detox for your skin. It's also leaving sagging skin and absorbing excess oil from your skin or from your face. It's also leaving the skin to look very smooth while you are using cornstarch into your face. Also reducing fine lines from your face. It will make you look more younger. So it's very effective. Even when you immediately when you start adding it and using cornstarch, you are going to notice something from your skin. And this mask also is not for only your face. You can apply it to all your body or any part that you think that you have a dark, there's a dark, whether it's your armpits, your legs, your face, the whole body, or your knees, wherever that you think that you have a problem with dark things, you can apply this mask into that places. So now guys, after that, after I finish everything, that's now I'm going to show you to you guys how you can apply it to your face. But always make sure before applying your face mask, always try to hydrate your face. When I say hydrate your face, wash your face. Okay, don't apply the face mask while your face is full of makeup. If you are looking for a benefit and you are going to do it like that, you are not going to get anything. Even the oil, the excess oil, if not the makeup, even the oil that is having your face, maybe you bath, you just put oil in your face. Before you apply your face mask, always try to wash everything off before you apply it. So now after applying it, you have to sit at least 15 to 20 minutes. It's okay for you to go and take your shower. So guys, actually because of the time, you can check and see the rest of the things that I add into these ingredients, and also the description below. I'll make sure I'll list all the ingredients over there in case you want to make this glassing skin face mask, so that you will know the ingredients that you are going to use to make it. Okay, and also as I said, always try to apply it with your skin, your clean face, or wherever that you are going to apply this in. Make sure that that place is very clean. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it with your warm water. Okay, rinse it with your warm water and go ahead with your, maybe your, let's say your body oils or your face tonic or whatever that you are using for your body. But always make sure that if you know that if you are using something that, like let's say you buy some creams and it has give you a dark mark in your faces, make some glasses in your face, while you are doing this treatment, you have to stop using those things, because while you are doing the treatment, you are continue using the things that has caused you to get that dark face, glasses in your face. Some places are dark, some places are white, some places are brown, yellow. You have to stop using it. You have to stop using it immediately. When you start this treatment, you have to stop using it, otherwise this thing cannot help you. Okay, so please, if you love these things, if this thing sound like something that you also like to try, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, subscribe, like and share for me and support me, because this channel is all about natural things. Now guys, you can see after 20 minutes. You can see how my face, how dry it has dry now, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go inside, use a warm water and clean myself. I'll be right back. So guys, now you can see my face. I'm not yet put oil into my face even, now I'm going to use my carrot infusing oil. That one I'm going to use a little to give myself a face massage to my, my face need to pamper small. Okay, so I will use it to massage my face, and also I will go ahead with my carrot butter. Please guys, I've been telling you people, I'm selling carrot body butter. Is available for selling. If you want some, if you want 250 ml, I have it. Okay, so you can contact with me, check the description below, or you can check my about section. You will see my email. You can send me an email. You can send me an email that if you want to buy, and tell me how many pieces you want. Wherever that you are is above, I will send it to you. But for me, my location is Belgium, so I'm living in Belgium. So when you are ordering, but no problem, I will try wherever that you are. Just send me message you need some of it, you will get yours. Okay, you see my skin, see how my skin, my skin is skinning, it's skinning. Thank you very much for watching guys. I know my daughter, she's also just around there, she want me to pick her. So anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others, those also who love natural things. Okay, I would love to see you in our next video again. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye bye.
Yeah, let's do it together. I'm just managing my life so she can join me, so that we all do it together. Don't use expensive products. Stop it and come here. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Let's do it. I'm so happy. I'm super happy. I'm super happy.